Best snowblower comparison. Electric snowblowers have become an essential tool for homeowners looking to efficiently clear snow during the winter months without the hassle of gas-powered equipment. These devices are eco-friendly, quieter, and often more affordable than their gas counterparts, making them ideal for residential use. In this article, list 1. The Voltas Cordless Snow Shovel is a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance for smaller snow-clearing tasks. Weighing just 9.3 pounds, it's one of the lightest models available, making it easy to maneuver. Powered by a 24V motor and a 4.0 amp and lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 25 minutes of runtime and can throw snow up to 20 feet. With a clearing width of 13 inches and a depth of 6.5 inches. It's best suited for light snow on driveways, patios, and sidewalks. The ergonomic handle and dual safety switch enhance user comfort and safety, while its relatively quiet operation is a bonus for residential use. In terms of performance, the Voltas Cordless Snow Shovel excels at handling light snowfalls, but struggles with heavier, wet snow due to its limited power and clearing depth. The adjustable directional plate is convenient for controlling the snow discharge, though the 20-foot throw distance may not be sufficient for larger areas. The compact design and user-friendly assembly make it ideal for homeowners seeking a hassle-free solution for light snow removal. However, the 25-minute runtime may be limiting for users with larger spaces to clear. List number. The Westinghouse W Snow 20 is the premium option in this comparison, offering a robust 1800-watt motor that can clear a 20-inch wide and 10-inch deep path, throwing snow up to 25 feet. Equipped with a steel auger and dual LED headlights, this corded snowblower is designed for efficient snow removal in driveways and sidewalks, even in low-light conditions. It features a 180-degree adjustable chute, allowing users to direct snow discharge precisely. The 7-inch wheels and soft grip handle enhance maneuverability and comfort during operation. Performance-wise, the W Snow 20 stands out for its ability to plow through up to 680 pounds of snow per minute, making it suitable for moderate to heavy snow conditions. The corded design ensures consistent power without the limitations of battery runtime, though it requires access to an electrical outlet. The steel auger is durable and effective, but may pose a risk of damage to delicate surfaces. While heavier than some competitors, its ergonomic design helps offset the weight during use. Overall, this model is ideal for users who prioritize power and reliability over portability. List number 3. The W Snow 11S is a compact cordless snow shovel designed for small-scale snow removal tasks. With a clearing width of 11 inches and depth of 7 inches, it's perfect for light snow on steps, decks, and smaller driveways. Powered by a 24V 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it offers a runtime of 25 minutes and can throw snow up to 20 feet. The lightweight design, 10.6 pounds, and cordless operation make it highly maneuverable, while the included fast charger ensures quick battery recharging. While the W Snow 11S performs well in light snow conditions, its limited clearing width and depth make it less suitable for larger areas or heavy snow. The 75 pounds per minute snow plowing capacity is modest compared to other models, but it's sufficient for small spaces. The compatibility with Snow Joe batteries adds versatility for users who already own compatible equipment. Overall, this model is a practical choice for users who need a lightweight, portable solution for light snow removal. List number. The W Snow 18 is a mid-range cordless snowblower with a clearing width of 18 inches and depth of 10 inches. Powered by a 1200-watt brushless motor and two 24-volt 4 amp-hour batteries, it delivers a runtime of 15 minutes for moderate snow conditions. The rubber-tipped steel auger can handle 650 pounds of snow per minute, throwing it up to 25 feet. Features like an LED light and adjustable chute enhance usability, while the dual-port fast charger ensures quick battery replenishment. This model is well-suited for medium-sized driveways and sidewalks, providing a balance between power and portability. However, the 15-minute runtime may be limiting for larger tasks, and the heavier weight, 37 pounds, reduces maneuverability compared to smaller models. Compatibility with Snow Joe batteries is a plus for users with existing equipment. While it can handle moderate snow effectively, it struggles with wet, heavy snow, making it less versatile than corded options. List 5. The W Snowthrower is a corded electric snowblower with a powerful 15-amp motor that can throw snow up to 29 feet. It clears a 20-inch wide and 10-inch deep path, making it suitable for moderate snow conditions. The 900 pounds per minute snow plowing capacity is impressive, and the quick adjust chute allows precise snow discharge. Dual LED headlights enhance visibility in dark or overcast conditions, while the lightweight design, 36.1 pounds, improves maneuverability. The W Snowthrower is a reliable choice for users seeking a corded model with strong performance at an affordable price. Its consistent power output makes it effective for clearing driveways and sidewalks, though the corded design limits portability. The 29-foot throw distance is excellent for larger areas, but the plastic auger may not be as durable as steel alternatives. Overall, this model offers great value for users prioritizing power and affordability.